Hello everyone, welcome to Life Means More. Today we are going to talk about World Environment Day 2021. From history to its theme for this year, here is everything you need to know about this day. Time spent among trees and the environment is never time wasted. Only with healthy ecosystems we can enhance people's livelihoods, counteract climate change, and stop the collapse of biodiversity. Nature has its own benefits for each and every species on this planet. Keeping all this in mind, every year on 5 June, the world celebrates World Environment Day, a day marked for nature. From animals to humans, from the food we eat to the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the climate that makes our planet habitable, all comes from nature itself. World Environment Day offers a global platform for inspiring positive change in the environment. It pushes individuals to think about the way they consume the ecosystem and gives them a chance to take action to build a greener future. In 1972, the United Nations General Assembly designated June 5 as World Environment Day. Since then, every year governments, big businesses, and citizens around the globe put in their efforts to address environmental issues. This year too, millions of people around the world will be celebrating this day digitally. Each year, marine plants produce more than half of our atmosphere's oxygen, whereas a mature tree cleans our air, absorbing 22 kilos of carbon dioxide, releasing oxygen in exchange. Despite all that, we humans mistreat our environment. This is why 5 June is marked to make people aware of the importance of environment in our lives. Let us study about the history of World Environment Day. In the year 1972, the UN General Assembly established World Environment Day on the first day of Stockholm Conference on the Human Environment. 2 years later, in 1974, the first World Environment Day was held with the theme Only One Earth. And then in 1987, the UN came up with an idea for rotating the host country for the celebrations of this day. This year's, that is 2021, theme for World Environment Day is Ecosystem Restoration. Ecosystem restoration means preventing, halting, and reversing the damage caused by human activities and finally healing our nature. This World Environment Day will see the launch of the UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration. Every 3 seconds, the world loses plenty of forests, and over the last century, we have destroyed half of our wetlands. This year's mission is to revive billions of hectares from forests to farmlands and to also cover the mountains and deep water oceans. World Environment Day is hosted by different countries around the globe. It has a participation of over 143 countries annually. Pakistan will host World Environment Day 2021 in collaboration with the UN Environment Programme. This is the first time in history that Pakistan will officially host this day. This year, Pakistan will make some important announcements related to initiatives that it has taken to mitigate the effects of climate change, including the 10 billion trees tsunami programme, Clean Green Pakistan, the electric vehicle policy, national parks, and green jobs. In the year 2018, India hosted WED with a focus on plastic pollution. Let us find out what is environmental restoration in detail. Ecosystem restoration means assisting in the recovery of ecosystems that have been degraded or destroyed in the past years, as well as conserving the ecosystems that are still intact. Healthier ecosystems with richer biodiversity yield greater benefits such as more fertile soils, bigger yields of timber and fish, and larger stores of greenhouse gases. The United Nations General Assembly has proclaimed the UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration following a proposal and resolution for action by over 70 countries around the globe. The UN Decade runs from 2021 till 2030, which is also the deadline for the Sustainable Development Goals and the timeline scientists have identified as the last chance to prevent catastrophic climate change. So this ecosystem restoration can take place in many ways. For example, actively planting more and more trees around you, get together with your friends and neighbors for a cleanup activity in your areas, cleaning up your local beaches, save and use less water, buy energy efficient appliances, and recycle your e-waste properly. So prepare yourself this year and take a stand to support and show your love for the environment. Save the green, let the earth smile. Wishing you a happy World Environment Day. Do like and share the video. Keep watching. Thank you.